Nice one. Look at this. Wow, you left one.
Oh yeah. Yeah. 9 and 9. I got 9 points.
Okay, go again.
Go get it. Go get it.
You did it.
Yay,
Spare.
That's a straight.
That's a spare. Ready? Press the A. Okay, go.
I got 2 down.
Okay. You got 3. Go. Wow, you're very good at bowling too.
6.
Press the A. Wow.
8.
2 more. Oh, you didn't do it right. Press the A.
I hit someone.
Yeah, press the A.
I hit someone.
Okay, go.
Right in the face with my bowling
Terrible.
ball.
Go. Another spare.
Spare score. Strike, Mama.
No, it strikes when you get them all at once. Go. Oops. What happened? Nothing.
Darn it.
You let it go at the wrong time.
When should I let go?
Just like you were doing before. Go.
Oop. I hit someone in the eye.
Yep, go.
Again. Oh my god, that was so an accident for my bowling skills. I should take bowling ball school. Mommy, I should take bowling ball school.
Yeah, bowling ball school, yep.
8. Yes, a perfect score.
Go. Six.
Perfecto.
Go.
Straight ahead.
Just like your father.
1.
More.
I got 1.
You're getting close. Come on. Back up a little. A.
Or you hit someone.
Go.
Straight up, Budwin. 2. 2 down.
4.
4.
Go. That was a good throw. Oh, you only got 2. That was weird. Why are you walking towards the TV? You don't have to walk
Because I
towards
have
the
to
TV.
put together a perfect score. 3 down.
5.
How? Yeah.
Nothing. Ah. All right, try better now.
They said boo.
I know they said boo. The back button. Ready? Go. Oh.
I look. Oh.
Put in the A.
I know what I'm saying. Straight ahead of my.
Right down the middle. Ready? Wow.
6. A perfect score.
Wow, you left 1.
3.
That was a gentle one, huh?
How many did I get?
5.
Wow, I'm good.
Yeah, you're good.
That was a hard one.
Ah,
Wow, when we're right down there.
you finished.
Wow, what? I got a 1, a 2,
77.